Hey guys, today I'll show you how to boil water in Project Zomboid. First, you need tainted water in a proper container. Tainted water comes from sources like rivers, rain barrels, or rain-filled containers. You can collect it by right-clicking the water source with a container like a cooking pot, kettle, or large bowl in your main inventory and selecting Fill. Next, you need a heat source. This can be a lit campfire, a stove, or an oven that you can turn on. Make sure the fire is burning or the stove or oven is powered. Once you have your tainted water container and heat source ready, place the container on or inside the heat source. For a campfire, put the pot or kettle into the fire. For a stove or oven, open it and put the container inside, and tweak its parameters by right-clicking on it and choosing Settings. Watch the water container while it heats. After a short time of being exposed to heat, the tainted water indicator, often showed as a little green skull, will disappear, meaning the water has now become clean and safe to drink. Once the tainted icon is gone, remove the container from the heat and you can drink the clean water straight from it or pour it into bottles for later use. And that's how you boil water in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.